To install Sweatcoin widget, just as any other widget on iPhone, tap and hold, and then app start jiggling, and then you can see plus icon, tap Sweatcoin, and then tap progress widget, daily boost widget. So two types of widget. I can just tap steps today, and then I can see that I did 5,000 steps and I earned 9.5 Sweatcoins. So that's pretty motivating. So for people who don't know, Sweatcoin is the app which potentially can pay you in cryptocurrency for your steps, or you can just earn some bonuses like which are called Sweatcoin just for walking, and then you can use their marketplace and spend like and buy some items, but you need to have like a lot of steps before you can really get something tangible. So it's not like you just went for a run and got an Amazon gift card. No, it's like you need like hundreds of kilometers of walking. And then there is also daily boost. Start and track your daily boost progress, so you can also install that widget. Hope it can be motivating for you. Thank you for watching.